What's the meaning of advisory? Advisory. 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 Advisory refers to something that serves to provide advice or guidance. It can be used as an adjective to describe a type of committee or service that offers recommendations or suggestions. For example, an advisory board may advise a company's management team on important decisions. Additionally, an advisory report may provide detailed guidance on a specific topic. Overall, advisory is commonly used in professional settings to indicate a group or document that provides expert advice and recommendations.